Assalamu alaikum guys, hope so you're very well. Thank you very much for coming over here. Today I'm gonna tell you some tips regarding English speaking, because everybody wanna speak English, and everybody is a fan of learning English and is a fan of speaking English. So if you wanna speak English better, if you wanna speak very well, what have you to do? I'm gonna just share you some tips. If you utilize them, if you follow them, you will speak better. Everybody knows that English language is such a great impression for our society, for everyone. If you want to get a great job, you must speak English. I mean, you have a great knowledge regarding English speaking, and you must have a confidence as well. So I just must tell you on, it's not a big deal. English language is like a jiffy. I just must tell you, if you want to speak English very well, try to practice as much as you can. Many lectures, many topics I have given at my YouTube channel, so everybody knows that. And many students, believe me, many students ask me questions, sir. We have the great knowledge regarding grammar and we know each and everything, but when we want to speak English fluently, we don't speak well. Actually, it's just less of practice. Just because of less of practice. If you want to speak better, then you have to practice. And one thing more, try to listen the native speaker. Try to listen English speaking. Means try to listen how they are speaking. As you have listened the quote, best listener is the best speaker. If you're best listening, then you can speak best. Then you can speak better. Then you can speak with everyone. So never ever, sometime we wanna speak English, but when sometime when we are among the people, we feel shy. We don't speak over there. Don't think about these all things. Let the people sit. Let the people stay among you. Not a big deal. Just I must tell you that if you want to speak English, then don't feel shy. If you're walking alone, try to speak English. There is not any other way without that. If you want to speak English better, fluently, then you have to practice. If you have if you are watching anything, try to talk about on that thing. If you are walking, if you are driving, if you are seeing something, okay, so try to talk about them. If you have something in your hand, so try to speak on that thing. You will speak. Means I just again and again I just must tell you, and again and I have to tell you that if you want to speak better, then try to speak English. Try to speak, practice. You can speak better. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope so. I always try to give you some hints. I always try to motivate you so that you can speak English, because English language is such a great impression for society there. Thank you so much. Allah bless you all. Take care.